When setting up your company's Recognize account, user accounts will need to be created for each employee. This can be conducted through what we refer to as the user provisioning process. The Users tab in the company admin portal is where companies can go to upload a spreadsheet to provision accounts for users, maintain their users by either uploading additional spreadsheets or by bulk editing user accounts. If your company will be using a user sync to provision and maintain accounts, you'll want to see our separate video on user sync. You'll start in the main menu up in the right-hand corner, click on Company Admin from the drop-down, and select Users from the left side menu. This will take you to an overview page where you can see users by status, user by team, managers, departments if you have departments in the system, and countries if you have countries in the system. Up in the top right, you'll notice a tertiary menu where you can switch to other tabs. If you select the Manage tab, this will take you to a spot where you can see your users by status. You'll be able to send individual invitations to users that have not yet joined the platform, as well as edit company roles and managers from this tab. This is also where you will go if you need to edit or disable a specific user. You'll use the action column over here to disable accounts, and then you can also enable accounts from this screen as well for any users that have been previously disabled. If there's a column that you're not seeing in the table for user data, you can go over to the top left corner of the table and select the 3 lines. This will allow you to add additional columns to your table to view the data. For example, I just added the admin column because I want to see who is an admin here at this company. You can see that, and you can enable or disable company admins from this column as well by switching the yes to a no or the no to a yes. If you're planning to import users to either provision accounts initially or maintain users over time, you will use the Import tab under the Users menu. You'll follow the steps in the Users tab to download a spreadsheet and fill in the data, upload that spreadsheet. You can also dry run the data sheet, which will give you a view of what the potential changes might be. There's an option at the bottom to send invitations to new users. So once you've provisioned the account, the invitations will automatically be sent out for you. When you're ready, select the Import button. You can always see the details of your last import over in the right-hand corner in this module. You'll notice how many records have been processed, which records were successful, which have failed, and then you can also view summary or download the results. The Bulk Edit tab allows you to edit users line by line. You can edit multiple users at once, and you can edit each of the fields that you see available in the spreadsheet, which are first name, last name, email, phone, job title, hire date, and birthday. Make sure to save any changes, and you can also add additional rows up in the top right corner if needed. The Invite tab allows you to send invitations to the platform to new users. You can select everyone at your company if you're initially launching, or you can target pending users by selecting this pending option at the top. You can also send invitations to users by role, status, team, and you can choose to turn on SMS invitations as well. There's dynamic content on each of these forms as well to allow you to insert SSO links, password links, ENPS survey links, and insert the recipient's first name. Once you're happy with your invitation message, you'll just hit Create, which will send the invite out to your chosen recipients.